Muthiaine wa mweri wetatu mwaka muhituku niguo Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta nianiriire kugathikwo kwa mukana wa kwaga gukorwo nja gatagati ga thaa 4 cia utuku nginyagia thaa 10 cia kiroko guothe bururi-ini, undu uria watanyitwo kunyihanyihia gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19. Mwaka umwe na mieri mugwanja thutha, mukana uyu ni urikitie kweherio undu uria ukinyaniirio thutha wa gwicurania kunene gatagati ga kamiti ya ugitiri undu umwe na kamiti irehetwo uigiririki wa kumurika maundu megie COVID-19 guku bururi-ini.
I hereby order and direct that the nationwide dusk to dawn curfew that has been in effect from the 27th of March 2020 be and is hereby vacated with immediate effect.
Gana na President Uhuru Kenyatta hindi ya ndumiriri yake mambura-ini ma Mashuja kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, mikana iria yothe magathikite ya kuhitana na murimu uyu nirikitie guciara matunda kuona gikiro kia ugwatania wa murimu uyu nigicokete thi na njira nene kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri hituku.
The progress in containing this disease, the committee jointly with the council has recommended a review of the existing containment measures.
Nayo ndeto igie kuongererwo kwa namba ya andu aria makoretwo magitikirio guthie nyumba-ini cia ihoero.
Number of persons gathering for in-person worship is now reviewed upwards from 1/3 of the congregants to 2/3, provided they adhere to all the health protocols.
Uheani wa janjo ya COVID-19 kuri Kenya milioni 5 gukinyiria riu guothe bururi-ini no kuhurite njeki kinya ria kweherio gwa kabiu na kuregerio kwa mikana ya COVID-19 na gukinyiria muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu. Thirikari itanyite andu milioni 10 nio megukorwo mamukirite janjo ino.
The surge of infections has declined over the last 2 weeks as characterized by the positivity rate of below 5% that has been registered over this period.
Kuregerio kwa mikana ino ni kwamukiritwo na moko meri ni onjoria na muno makiria ene irabu undu umwe na muingi aria makoretwo magithaitha Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta amarore na ritho ria tha.
Are not yet out of the woods, and we must therefore continue to observe the containment measures as directed by the Ministry of Health.
Ripoti ya kiama kia ene mikawa undu umwe na irabu guku bururi-ini PERAC yonanitie ati kuma riria mikana ya kuhitana na COVID-19 yagathikirwo na muno makiria kabiu, irabu ngiri 15 ni irikitie kuhingwo guku andu matanyihiire 50,000 makiurwo ni mawira mao guothe bururi-ini. Ribotera Kameme TV ritora kone no ngari.